This will be a speed test between the Huawei Mate 20 Pro versus the Razer Phone 2. Now the Mate 20 Pro, this one has the Kirin 980 and 6 gigs of RAM. Razer Phone 2 has the Snapdragon 845. This phone has 8 gigs of RAM. Turn on both at the same time, see which one has a faster boot up. Let's go. Now I'm gonna give the boot up win to the Mate 20 Pro. And we are in! Nothing in the background on both. As you can see, all caches have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the Messages app. Very close. Camera. Give that to the Mate 20. Clock on both phones. Go ahead and start the stopwatch on both and leave that running in the background. Chrome. Search for GSM Arena on both. Go. Looking at the progress bar. Very similar performance on both phones. Scroll through this and we'll go to the desktop version. Go. Looking at the progress bar. Call that one a draw, pretty much. Pinch to zoom. Nice and smooth on the Razer Phone 2 with its 120Hz display. Do the same thing on the Mate 20 Pro. Very smooth in its own right. Leave it on this page. Calculator. You guys are the judges. Play Store. Go. Call that one a draw. Click on this one. This annoying TikTok app, the ads you see on YouTube. Amazon Shopping. Pretty much the same. Click on this deal of the day. Leave it there. eBay. Ooh, maybe the Mate 20 Pro ahead a little bit. Click on this one. Super Mario Run. Loading on both. And give this to the Mate 20 Pro. Tap to begin. Mate 20 Pro a little bit faster, running the game. Temple Run 2. Ooh, so close. We'll see who won and give this to the Mate 20 Pro. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on both phones. Razer Phone 2 is ahead. Will the Mate 20 Pro catch up? No, it does not. And give this to the Razer Phone 2. Asphalt 9. Ooh, Razer Phone 2 might be ahead a little bit. Will the Mate 20 catch it? Oh, and give this to the Razer Phone 2 again. Tap the play button. PUBG. Ooh, very close. Oh, who's gonna come out on top? Neck and neck right now. Both phones are loading this game. Oh, so close. Maybe it was the Mate 20 Pro watching it live. You guys slow down the video for me. Grand Theft Auto. Let's go. Oh, both phones are neck and neck. I think the Razer Phone 2 is ahead. And give this to the Razer Phone 2, but not that much of a difference. Twitter. Tie. Instagram. Another draw. Snapchat. Give that to the Mate 20 Pro. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background, so you can see. So let's just see what happens right now, starting with Instagram. There you have it. Twitter, good to go. San Andreas, ready to play. PUBG, ready to play as well. We have Asphalt 9. Good to go on both. Angry Birds 2, same place. Temple Run 2. Oh, looks like we have a reload on the Razer Phone 2, as you can see. Mario Run. Oh, what's going on with the Razer? Come on, I thought this phone had 8 gigs of RAM. eBay. A little bit of a lag on the Razer. Amazon. Razer's lagging again, although it's in the same place. Faster on the Mate 20 Pro. Play Store, same place. Calculator, same place. Chrome. Still on GSM Arena, so you can see. Clock. Still running the stopwatch. The camera. A little bit faster on the Mate 20. Messages app. Boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Do you have yourself the Mate 20 Pro? This phone coming in with a Kirin 980, 6 or 8 gigs of RAM options, a massive 40 megapixel camera, a pretty nice display, pretty nice design as well. Does have a notch, but you can hide it in settings. And this phone also has reverse wireless charging, pretty badass. And this one is the purple colorway. I'm gonna flip the phone over. This just looks pretty nice. Or do you have yourself a Razer Phone 2? This phone coming in with a super smooth 120Hz display, awesome front firing speakers. This phone coming in with a Snapdragon 845, 8 gigs of RAM, a pretty much stock looking skin. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.